Hello, hello. I'm out and about on it, and I haven't had, but I add to the comments and stuff. I appreciate your input, whether it be, and I for and encourage comments and stuff, whether it be constructive criticism. I gave him a quick disclaimer. It's not financial advice. Just take it with a grain of salt. Do your research. You can lose your money, or you can make money too. So that's our goal here together as a group. So thank you. But China, just amazing here, right? So I was reading from this article. Hopefully this dang thing don't cut out again. From the South China Morning Post. And basically what's happening here is China is saying that all trading platforms, even the news and things like that, they're putting a ban on it. And now my connection on my other phone is gone. Isn't that great? Because I got two phones working right now to try to bring this this article to you. So let's see here. Where did it go? To block more than 120 offshore cryptocurrencies. This is on South China Morning Post is where I found the article. It was written today, the 23rd of August. They're poised to block more than 120 foreign cryptocurrencies as the government's broader crackdown on all activities related to digital money. Authorities will block access in China to 124 websites operated by offshore cryptocurrencies trading services to citizens in mainland. The Shanghai Securities newspaper affiliated with the country's financial markets and regulators reported. I think it's crazy. They're getting rid of anybody with cryptocurrency trading, ICOs, cryptocurrencies are banned. From companies are banned from accepting them, including Bitcoin. I mean, what a bunch of hypocrisy, man. These guys are making a ton of money off of cryptocurrency. Some of the biggest exchanges are out of China. They have all kinds of coins out of China. Bitmain, who makes the lion's share of miners for mining cryptocurrencies, is made more money than the Bank of Germany, Deutschland Bank. I mean, it's like the third biggest bank in the world or something. I'm not sure, don't quote me, but it's a huge bank. If it fails, it could cause a huge financial collapse. They made more profit than that bank. So I mean, what is up with these people, man? It makes me want to go through and look at all my, I had just kind of always been weary of dealing with China, but we buy and sell things all the time, and I wanted to be open-minded, and I've always looked for more secure countries that aren't socialists, that would have more freedom for the people in general, the general people, not just the elitists. But it's just something else. There's another article here that I actually read that led me to this article. Let's see if I can find it here real quick. But it makes me want to go through and look at my coins and see which ones are, most of them are Chinese, not all of them, but most of them. Some of them are, based in China and also other countries. So those ones I feel are safer, because if they get shut down in China, they can just, take care of things out of one of their other offices. But we see these different exchanges and stuff moving to Malta and different countries that are more friendly to cryptocurrencies and such. So let me see if I can find this other article. It closed on me when I lost my connection. It looks like we're still filming. I just have a crummy connection. So check this out here. They're going to be getting rid of, it says 120. I tried to find a complete list of companies that are going to be basically banned by China, according to this South China Morning Post. This article is titled "China to Block More Than 120 Offshore Cryptocurrencies." And this was written, today. You can see that right there. I don't know if it'll come up frontwards for you or not, but there it is. And they're going to be blocking, they give a few names here. See if I can find it here. Got to go to the full article though. But I try to be open-minded about China, even though I had some kind of fears, because here in San Diego, I know a few businessmen that hail or come from China, and they say that that some dealings you got to be careful. Anywhere there's crooks and stuff, but it's a shark tank out there, is what I've been told by some of the Chinese businessmen that live here in America now, but still trade and buy and sell with China direct. So you really got to know what you're doing, or they'll eat you alive out there. It's kind of an accomplishment if you can. And this is according to this gentleman that I met named Vince, and he said that it's kind of a underlying thing that if they can one up you on a business deal, that's considered fair game, even if it's not ethical, what we would consider ethical. I know we see that going on in a lot of countries, but there just isn't as much protection for the consumers and for the little people. You see, they're getting shut out. That's it. You can't deal anymore. You can't buy. You can't sell. I mean, it's crazy. So Bitfinex, Bitnance, Huobi, Huobi. I know that's popular with some people. I haven't really spent any time over there. OKX. These have been blocked on the mainland there in China. 88 cryptocurrency exchanges, 85 ICO projects have been shut down in China. The trading pair, Yuan Bitcoin trading pairs dropped from 90% to less than 5%, the world's total Bitcoin trades. So yeah, it's just something to think about, guys. I'm really looking at making sure that my bags, as you would say, are I'm going to be looking through them a lot more and critiquing them and getting rid of stuff out of China, because I just I don't trust them at this point. If they get where none of their people are in the business, then what's to stop them from saying, what, hey, the market's huge right now, just take all their money, you're closed. I don't know. I mean, I know that's kind of far-fetched, just a little conspiracy theorist in me, but anyway, just thought I'd share that with you guys. The market is up. It's green right now. In fact, if you're following me on Telegram, when I get back done with my job here, I will probably sell and hopefully make 3 or 4%. We'll see. It could drop. Last time I had an opportunity to make like 2%, and I waited and the market dropped. That was just a couple weeks ago. So we'll see how that goes. If you follow me on Telegram, you'll see that. I'll put the descriptions in later, probably tomorrow. So I'm just doing this live on the spot. And what else is going on, folks? I'm still waiting for a date. There should be a date in September. If you want to come hear me speak live on Bitcoin Basics 101, cryptocurrency Bitcoin introduction, so to speak, then come on down. That'll probably be in Alpine, California. And we're still working on a date, exact date and time. So that looks like a for sure thing now. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps support our channel. And, any suggestions or anything you'd like to hear about, let me know. And, it's our down-home, family-friendly style that we try to, that we're proud of here. Where there's a lot of people you can listen to that are a lot smarter, but, you don't have to be afraid of listening to our channel with the kids around and such. So, hope you appreciate that. Thanks again. And this is your host, Shane Ripley with Mountain Crypto, over and out.